100,000 rockets, a specialized airburst payload, and a new industrial plan to secure the Ukrainian front. Modern warfare is increasingly defined by thousands of lightweight kamikaze drones, like the Shahed and Garan models. These unarmored, slow-flying targets are difficult to intercept using traditional air defense methods. Short-range machine guns provide a low-cost solution, but they often lack the precision needed to track and hit a small, agile target reliably. This is the core economic challenge. While medium to long-range missiles have the accuracy to solve the problem, they come at an exorbitant price compared to the drone they are trying to destroy. If you want to keep track of the technologies reshaping the front line, join the community by subscribing to Global Warwatch Network. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we release a new deep dive into defense engineering. This creates a strategic trap. When forces are required to use high-end interceptors on low-cost drones, they risk depleting the strategic reserves intended for much larger threats. This chart shows the Thales FC-275 LGR, a guided rocket designed to fill the gap between cheap guns and expensive missiles. The system fits a 2.75-inch rocket body with a semi-active laser seeker and a specialized guidance kit, shown at the nose of the projectile. Guidance is provided by a laser designator. Once a target is painted by a spotter or forward observer, the rocket homes in on the reflected beam to correct its flight path. This achieves meter-level accuracy against low-flying, moving targets up to 7 kilometers away, providing precision without the multi-million-dollar price tag of a primary surface-to-air missile. Precision is only one part of the solution. The rocket utilizes the specialized FC-123 Warhead, which operates differently than a standard impact munition. Instead of requiring a direct hit, the Warhead uses an airburst effect. It detonates near the drone, creating a wide, forward-facing cone of shrapnel. The internal payload consists of between 6,500 and 7,500 small steel pellets. This diagram shows how they expand to create a lethal cloud with a 9-meter radius, shredding unarmored components like antennas and control surfaces. This fragmentation approach raises the probability of a mission kill. It compensates for the difficulty of tracking small targets under combat stress by turning a near miss into a disabling strike. Tactically, these rockets are compatible with standard NATO 70mm launch systems, which allows for deployment across several different platforms. On the ground, they are used with Vampire air defense systems. These are mounted on highly mobile pickup trucks, enabling crews to execute shoot and scoot maneuvers to avoid return fire. The rockets are also integrated into fixed-wing aircraft, such as the American F-16 fighter jets currently in service with the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Ukraine's rotary fleet has been modernized to carry them. Mi-8 and Mi-24 helicopters have been retrofitted with American-made M261 launchers to fire these guided munitions. This versatility across trucks, jets, and helicopters allows for a distributed air defense network that can be rapidly redeployed to protect critical infrastructure. With hundreds of drones launched monthly against the Ukrainian front, the demand for interceptors outpaces the current output of European assembly lines. To address this, Thales Belgium signed a joint venture in 2025 with the state-owned defense company Ukro Borenprom to begin a full transfer of technology. This scale-up plan is aggressive. Starting with a 2025 goal of 3,500 rockets, the project aims for an annual production capacity of 100,000 units by 2028. This total includes both guided and unguided rockets, with a significant portion of the assembly taking place directly at Ukrainian facilities. Localizing this manufacturing secures a self-sufficient defense infrastructure. It allows commanders to sustain the firing rates needed to counter continuous drone waves, while keeping their premium missile reserves intact for strategic threats. Thank you for watching Global Warwatch Network. If you enjoyed this analysis, like the video and share it with others. Let us know in the comments what other low-cost solutions are essential for modern air defense. We'll see you in the next deep dive.